In an era of rapid global change, nations rise by harnessing their strengths from within. Morocco, strategically positioned between Europe and Africa, stands committed to a future shaped by innovation, renewable energy, and industrial excellence. Since 2014, SOMALEV has proudly led Morocco's logistics sector, offering integrated solutions in heavy lifting, renewable energy infrastructure, and industrial relocation. Across Morocco's diverse landscape, we execute high-level special projects, leveraging expertise in engineering and heavy lifting, transport craning and installation for wind farms, heavy industrial maintenance and relocation, mining and port activities. With a large fleet and highly skilled teams, we guarantee precision, efficiency, and safety in every operation. Sustainability at SOMALEV is integral, not incidental. Our priorities are clear: investing in local talent and continuous professional development, promoting diversity and inclusion, enforcing rigorous safety, quality, and environmental standards. We believe true progress benefits all, building capabilities, empowering communities, and creating lasting, positive impacts. SOMALEV stands at the heart of Morocco's strategic initiatives, supporting national energy transitions, industrial growth, and infrastructure expansion. Our projects align seamlessly with Morocco's ambitious goals for renewable energy, including the 2030 Vision, Green Hydrogen Roadmap, and the New Development Model. Looking ahead to 2030, Morocco aims to be a continental leader in clean energy and industrial innovation. SOMALEV is fully committed to this vision, investing in cutting-edge logistics technology, sustainable practices, and regional partnerships across Africa. Our work is guided by a daily commitment to responsibility and service, contributing step by step to a future we proudly help build. SOMALEV. Beyond logistics, we empower Morocco's future. Meeting your high-level projects,